Hey, what's going on, everybody? How y'all holding up? Out here in Boonville, Missouri. Not too far from Kansas City, about 100 miles from Kansas City. In the middle of all this here snow. And still got drivers out here driving. So I just want to tell y'all, hey, be safe out there on the road. And none of y'all should be driving in this mess anyways. It's about a good 3, maybe 5, 6 inches of snow on the ground or whatever. But hey man, y'all be safe out there. Get off the road if you can. Find a safe place to park. Y'all have a good one.